Pardon?
I like it. I think we should stay.
We're gonna stay? We're staying.
Unless you wanted to go somewhere else.
Nope. I just wasn't sure what you'd think. If it'd be too cold or something.
I've got lots of warm clothes with me, so I don't care.
And we can still get a fire, so that'll keep us warm for a while.
Yep.
We'll check out that other way on the way out, though.
Okay.
There was another road. We're just gonna go check it out. Take one Jeep, leave one here. Go through that. I thought I saw fresh tracks. I thought someone was going to be up here. Maybe they were just day tripping. Not much, is it? Looks like someone attempted something up here. One flat spot for the tent, right there.
Yeah.
It is a nice spot. Look at it. Spot for a tent. Right there. Maybe there, but this one's flatter. But look at that view.
That's beautiful.
That's cool. I almost like this one. Just because of that and that view.
We don't have any picnic table though to put.
No.
And the outhouse is over by that other one too. We can get. Yeah. If there was like a good flat spot maybe.
There's only one. That's where we are over there.
Oh.
See my Jeep. Ducks.
Oh. That way.
Yeah, go this way, but and turn the other way. No, you want to go down.
Oh, I was gonna go through that.
Oh, even better.
Look easier.
Sure is beauty though.
Yeah.
I would like a beverage.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna start with a beverage. What would you like? Anything yet?
Yeah, I'll have a Caesar.
Pardon?
Yeah, I'll have a
Beer or?
Caesar.
We had a can of Caesar.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Nice driving.
You're not bad.
That was a good one though.
Yeah. That was something.
Pardon?
That.
I get full. And we'll just have
Perfect.
sitting like that, right?
Yep.
You turn it, I turn it back.
Whatever.
A little OCD there.
Yes, you are.
Barely any move. What?
In the front. For the things. It's got the blue one.
Okay. I need it.
Mosquito.
Yeah.
Put yours in?
Yep.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm in. Dude, let's roll up here.
Yes, there is mosquitoes flying around here.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Actually, we need to fly over there. Actually, I'll do the corn.
Whoops, shit. Hold it too far. Oh, right.
Yeah.
This one? Like pull it out?
Yeah, stake that corn.
Oh. Ow, I just got bit on the top of my head.
What?
I just got bit on.
And then we pull this puppy out. Yeah, just this one. Because we're not staking that one because we're going to open and close it.
Is that tight enough or do I need to pull mine more?
I don't know. Pull it a little more. There. Just so that straight, the edge is a little tight. There you go.
I shouldn't be using it.
There.
We don't need to do these.
Yes, the bug stuff.
Yeah, and they're both going. Handle.
Really gonna try out the sleeping bags tonight. Ah, wrong one. What's that?
I said, holy fuck.
Let's see if. Oh, I got to turn it on. I think. Doesn't like that. You try one more thing.
Okay, I will go make the bed.
Pardon?
I'll go make the bed.
Turn on Wi-Fi. Seizure mode. Who needs seizure mode? Whatever. See what happens. I might need Crystal's help. Oh, frogs. We got frogs. It's going to make me pass out. Just keep it from rolling towards it.
So just hold it, like,
Yeah.
try to.
Yeah, all it's going to do is roll.
Okay. Nice.
Don't make it Don't slag me on my cutting job. I'm not a logger.
It's a good cutting job. Better than my place.
Well, I mean the people that are watching on.
Oh, we're videoing this. Oh.
Come on out of there. Might be more solid. I could have grabbed a couple. That did pretty good.
That did really good. Should we do it now just in case it rains and we'll do it after?
So we don't have to wake up to it raining?
That too. Yeah, we'll put our chairs and everything under it when we go to bed, even if it's not raining.
Is that the other? No. Right. So if we get that other one. Wait, sorry.
You want to do that and I'll pull these out?
Yeah. Then in a second I'm gonna move the camera. So one thing about doing this.
Come on, feed it.
Okay, can you? Yeah, make it nice and tight.
Okay.
And I always turn the wrong place.
And I do too, because I just do the exact same thing. That, where are we going?
I'm going to about there just so that if it does
Is
rain,
right there good?
it'll rain this way.
Is that good?
Sure. There's back. Well, this is cheap.
There's our,
Hood.
there's our hooks.
There's one.
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, we have to stake them down. Right, I need the stakes. See, they're looking like a little camel. So it's not done. There it is. Boom. See, and then it won't pull back. You pull this one through, try pulling it back. It just kind of cam locks it. Kind of funky. Too far away, otherwise you're going to trip on it all night long. You want the hammer?
Okay.
Footage. See, and if you pull that little thing back,
Yeah, okay.
it loosens it, then it'll lock itself. Just sit right there, maybe hit some words.
It's under your Jeep.